Hi, I'm Reedy and welcome to DataClassroom. I'm a biologist and former high school biology teacher, and I made DataClassroom to be the tool for working with data in the classroom that I always wish that I had with my own students. It's important to work with real data at this moment because it is a data world that we are living in. Data has become more important to not just traditional STEM fields like science and engineering, but well beyond that. And data now infuses just about every area from media to medicine, to politics, to sports. It is indeed a data world, and students need to learn these skills to become functional adults today. So it's also important to point out that working with data appears in state and national standards. And by working with data, we can teach kids to think like scientists and do the work of scientists where they use data and quantitative skills to evaluate evidence. This is part of becoming an informed citizen in our modern world. So what does DataClassroom do, and what are you going to learn to do in this series of video tutorials? Number one, DataClassroom makes beautiful graphs, and it makes them easier. If you've struggled with your students to make graphs in something like Excel or Google Sheets, I think you're going to find this a lot easier, and I think you're going to be very much happy with the end product. Two, DataClassroom helps you work in the foundations of statistics. And at first, I'm talking about things like mean and median and range and standard deviation, these kinds of concepts that appear in the middle school math curriculum around the country. And then three, when your students are ready, and this is for older students, I'm thinking high school age and above, this is when you will be able to help students use statistics to make inferences. And by this, I'm talking about actually formally using statistics to test the hypothesis. So this is what DataClassroom will help you do in your classroom. And if you watch these series of video tutorials, we'll take it step by step and teach you one piece at a time. So with that, I will also say, if you have any questions, you can reach me at Aaron, AARON, at dataclassroom.com. Happy sciencing.